Hello and welcome to this Viral Angels business presentation. In this presentation, we will focus on three things which will explain the Viral Angels concept fully so you can make a decision on becoming a member in our team. The things we will look at are the difference on becoming a member in Viral Angels or other traditional network marketing companies. We will also look at Viral Angels investment concept and also the business model that members can work with if they like. Before we go and look at Viral Angels investment concept and business model, I want to explain to you the difference between Viral Angels and traditional network marketing companies and why you should seriously consider starting to build an extra residual income. I think the best way to do so is by looking at what two well-known men have to say about this. These men are Robert Kiyosaki and Donald Trump, but both have written numerous books on business, finance and network marketing. Robert Kiyosaki became world famous for his book Rich Dad Poor Dad. Together they wrote the book Why We Want You to Be Rich, and Kiyosaki also wrote a book called Cash Flow Quadrant. In the presentation, we look quickly at two of those books. In the book Why We Want You to Be Rich, they draw our attention to the economical and social changes that are happening and will continue to do so in the coming years. We grew up in a society that looked like a diamond, where we have big middle class and few people being very rich and few people being poor. In their opinion, and we can see what has changed since the big financial crash in 2008, then our societies are changing and looking like an hourglass, where we have very small middle class and many rich people and many poor people. Meaning that the people that used to be in the middle class will either move up or down, depending on their action. One of the things Donald and Robert recommend to us to do is to start working in network marketing and building a residual income. In Viral Angels, we surely have that opportunity. Let's now take a quick look at Robert Kiyosaki's cash flow quadrant so everyone can understand where our income comes from. In the first quadrant, we see that we can become employees and earn our income that way. Most people are in this quadrant and have a job, or which has also been called being just over broke. Very often, people in this quadrant dream of becoming self-employed, working for themselves. One thing in common for all people in these two quadrants is that they are changing their hours for money. On the right side of the picture, we first have a quadrant called business owner. In this quadrant, we have people that own their own business and have the money working for them. In this group, we find, for example, CEOs, franchise business, and network marketing business builders. Then we have the last quadrant, which is investor, and we can say that most people dream of being part of this quadrant, but few are. Being a member of Viral Angels gives you opportunity to build income from both quadrants on the right side, and this is very unique for all those that have worked in network marketing before. People on the right side are building residual income. A couple of things more about the difference of the left and the right side of the quadrant is that 80% of people are on the left side owning 20% of the world's money and 20% of people are on the right side owning 80% of the world's money. Another thing that is different between those on the left side and the right side is that the left side seeks security and the right side seeks freedom. But let's now take a look at Viral Angels and their investment opportunity, or what they call an extraordinary investment opportunity for the small-scale investor. Viral Angels is a Swedish-based company with its headquarters in Stockholm and was created in June 2012. Viral Angels has business operations in 17 countries and members in over 70 countries. Here we can see the growth of the members since June 2012 and until December 2013. I can tell you that the total membership today is around 12,000 members. The concept is actually very simple. Viral Angels is a members-only private equity club. It specializes in small and medium-sized companies where it takes equity stakes in some of those companies and assists them with public flotation or IPO. Members can sell their shares in stock market. The founders of Viral Angels have experience with many IPOs in several exchanges. It works this way. Viral Angels selects companies that are undervalued or underutilized, takes a strong position in them, sets an agenda, and executes a plan. Viral Angels receive shares in these companies. They keep 20% for themselves and give 80% to us, the members. The benefits that members receive are information about non-listed companies, knowledge and education, weekly free share allocation, and this is how we build our investment portfolio, share portfolio value increase, trading on Viral Angels inner market, which is a market between members, a broker, and a prepaid card. On September 18th, 2014, Viral Angels brought their first company to a stock market. The company was Tryg Social Media, and it was listed on a Börse in Frankfurt, Germany. This was a huge success, and members that owned shares in Tryg had unbelievable return on their investment. Many other companies are heading this same direction right now with the help of Viral Angels. The goal of Viral Angels is to bring new companies to the portfolio every month. There are 8 different membership levels, and let's look at them now. The first group is called Beginner. There we have the free membership, which is only for members to look around before they decide to jump on board, and then the Gold and Platinum membership. Gold membership is for those that want to build their portfolio slowly, but as soon as members decide to be at least a Platinum member, their portfolio builds up faster as allocation are few times per week, along with other benefits also. Second group of membership levels is Intermediate. These levels give even more free shares in the weekly allocations. And the third and final group of membership levels is Exclusive, which we can say is for those that want to build up serious investment quickly. The good thing is that members can jump up and down in monthly membership levels, and that way always have the level they can afford each month. Let's now look at the other part of Viral Angel, how to build your business and start earning residual income on top of your investments. There are many ways to earn income when building the Viral Angels business. First, we have the direct and network bonuses, but we get paid 5 levels down, and you can sign up as many members on the first level as you want. Then we have leadership bonus, monthly bonus, quarterly bonus, yearly bonus, and special promotions. If you look at each bonus separately, then this is how the direct bonus down 5 level works. Direct is your first level, and in this presentation, calculations that we talk about later refer to all members joining Viral Angels as Platinum members. So when you sign up a new Platinum member, you receive in direct bonus 15 euros. When that member signs up a Platinum member, he also receives 15 euros and you receive 6 euros and so on. This goes on 5 levels down. In this picture you also see levels below the 5th. To earn from levels below the 5th, you need to reach a certain title in the system, and we will also look at that better. Here are examples of a network that you could build up. In this example, you personally have signed up 6 Platinum members. All of them have signed up 2 Platinum members, and so on, 5 levels down. This would give you total of 186 members in your network, which would pay you monthly 954 euros. You can also see how much you would earn from these 186 members if they are paying higher membership every month. Let's look at a different scenario that could happen. In this example, you sign up personally 3 members, and they also sign up 3, and so on, 5 levels down. This would give you a network of 363 members, and if they are all Platinum members, then you will be earning monthly €1,881, and that from only 363 members. And of course, you see what it would give if the members had higher membership levels. Here we can see the career ladder, the titles we reach when we build our network. Climbing the ladder also gives us extra bonuses on top of our direct and network bonus. There are a few qualifications that members need to reach to climb the career ladder, as we can see here. This will also explain itself along the way. To earn the monthly bonus, you need to have reached the title of Senior Manager, which would pay you €300 per month. And you see how much it would pay if you reach higher title. To earn a leadership bonus, you need to have reached the title of Executive Manager, which would pay you 0.5% of turnover from level 6. To earn the one-time quarterly bonus, you need to have reached the Director title, which would pay you 5% of your team turnover for 3 months following qualification. Minimum bonus is €5,250. And to earn the yearly bonus, you need to have reached the Director title, which will pay you 0.25% on yearly turnover. Also, when reaching the Director title, you earn a luxury trip, which everyone likes, of course. When you reach the end of this presentation, I'm sure I can say that 1 year from now, you would wish you had started your viral influence business and investments today. Don't wait, go to the link below and sign up, and let's build a bright future together.